Welcome, my dear friend, to another episode of Money Back Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mamoon. Got a great episode for you today. If you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed, frustrated, angry, anxious about what's going to happen, how life is going to play out, feeling scarcity, feeling numbness, feeling sad, whatsoever you're feeling, even if it's joyful, happy, peaceful, whatsoever it is, remembering that you're not alone. Those feelings are interconnected. There's so many people around the world who can relate, who can empathize. We're going to take some deep breaths together to see if we can release stress, worries, and come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Getting into a comfortable seated position where you can be upright, aware of your posture. Putting distractions to the side and becoming aware of your posture. Not judging the posture, but just aware. And notice how that awareness starts to bring its own change in the posture. Relaxing your shoulders, letting them drop away from your ears. Opening your chest, opening your heart to the blessings that are already here. We live to see another day. It won't always be that way. Recognizing the preciousness of today as you take a deep breath in through your nose. And exhale out the mouth with a sigh. Breathing in patience through the nose. Holding that patience inside. And exhaling worries, anxieties, letting them go. Letting go of any leftover air in the lungs, just be empty of breath. And take a deep breath in. Holding that breath at the top. And exhale. Relaxing your belly, feeling the air drop down into the belly, pushing the belly outwards. And as you do that, just feeling your heartbeat. Your heart is still beating. Feeling the rhythm of the heart. Imagine that your heart is being filled with a warm liquid light, melting away any tensions in the heart, any anxieties, any anger, melting away in the face of a warm liquid light filling the chest. And in your mind, like a blue sky, no clouds, just pure blue sky in the mind, with warm liquid sunlight in the heart. Taking a deep breath in through the nose and exhaling past, exhaling future, letting it go. Feeling rooted in this moment, rooted in your body, feeling more love and appreciation for the body, for the mind, for the anxieties, for the pain. And if your mind has been wanting to think, now is the time to let your mind think. Taking a deep breath in, hold, and exhale. Relaxing the face, relaxing the jaw, relaxing your belly, and for a few moments just looking inwards, witnessing and welcoming all that you see inside. Taking a deep breath in and exhale. Letting go of any focus now. Just listening to the sounds. Taking a deep breath in Exhaling self-hatred, shame, guilt, letting it go. Breathing in trust. Exhaling any insecurities, letting go of insecurities, feeling insecurities, leave the mind, leave the body. Feeling trust come in. Inhaling. Exhaling. Breathing in. Breathing out. Taking a deep breath in. And a deep breath out. The prayer for today is to love that which you resist in yourself and to go beyond it. To love what you resist in yourself and to go beyond it. The color for today is navy. The number is 7. And the animal, are you ready for it? And the animal is a squirrel. I thank you for joining me today. Taking one more deep breath in for now. Holding the breath at the top. And exhale, letting go. Sending you a big hug across time and space. Wishing you abundance of love, of resources, of creativity, of abundance, of prosperity, of laughter, of forgiveness, of any mistakes that have been made recently, to let go of mistakes, to let go of shortcomings, failures, to not keep track of that so much, and keep track of the times it worked, the times that we are happy, the times we do feel some peace, to just continue to focus on those little glimpses. And when anger comes, when discomfort comes, remembering that it's going to pass and noticing when it passes. With that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.